Well, hello there! My name is Vlad, this is Alpha Tech, and in this video what we are going to do is a quick, maybe not so quick, but a good exercise regarding rational numbers, okay? So, what you have to do is to design and develop rational number struct called rational. Okay, so first of all, you are going to design and develop a rational number structure that will be called rational. And this structure is basically will be used to represent a rational number. And just a quick reminder to you guys that a rational number consists of two parts. The first one is the numerator, and the second one is denominator. Okay, so any rational number consists of the numerator and the denominator. Okay, is it clear? So, what you will need to do is, first of all, to provide this structure for the rational. That shouldn't be very difficult. Okay, it consists of two fields, numerator and denominator. And then what you will have to provide is basically, okay, after you know the previous material we've spoken about, you will have to provide a couple of functions, okay? One function that should increment a given rational number. The other function should decrement a given rational number. There should be also functions for addition between two different rational numbers. And once you calculate the addition between two of them, you will need to return the result. Also for subtraction, multiplication, division, you will also write a couple of functions to decide which one of the rational numbers is smaller or bigger, to kind of compare between two rational numbers. And you will have to write also functions for testing out the equality between two very different rational variables. Okay, so that's it. You will have to write these functions. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 functions that you have to do. This is kind of a comprehensive exercise. It also requires you to kind of make some recap and remember how you basically use addition between two rational numbers. It's not just by taking the numerator plus denominator and denominator plus denominator. You have to make some common ground, right, in the denominator field, and then to make them. Okay, also for subtraction, what happens at multiplication. So there are some rules for working with rational numbers. It's not too complicated, okay, but it requires from you to think about it even at least a little bit. Okay, so first of all, go write down on a piece of paper, write down everything that you remember about how to make increment on a given number, and basically how you should make addition between two rational numbers. What are the steps before you jump into writing the code? What are the steps on a piece of paper? Okay, that's also what I'm going to show you in my full video solution. Basically all the steps one by one, and then and only then we are going to jump and write down the actual code, the actual functions that are responsible for this task. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and give it your best. Okay, even if it will take you a couple of hours, try to solve this exercise on your own. Write down all the functions. Make sure that your results are basically correct, and basically test out the actual value of the rational numbers, the rational variables that you create before and after any operation that you will check. Okay, and also you can use a calculator, or I don't know, something on the internet to make sure that to test out the results of your program against the results of something that should give you the correct answers. So good luck. My name is Vlad, this is Alpha Tech, and you are doing a huge exercise on your own. Give it your best. Good luck.